Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HotWav Pad 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account currently added to the device, I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which will show you actually how to do it. After that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and right there we've got the list of all currently installed apps. So let's start with tapping on Updates Available, and here you can check which updates you can download. So just find your app and then mark it. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. If not, just pick like 2, 3 or 4, whatever. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn it off and do whatever you want here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.